MakeBlock Starter Robot Kit is a great choice for those who are interested in learning robotics, electronics, Arduino, and Scratch programs. This kit contains about 40 different mechanical parts, electronic modules, and accessories, including 2 pieces of DC motor, 1 piece of Orion based on Arduino Uno, 1 piece of ultrasonic sensor, 1 piece of IR receiver, 1 piece of remote controller, and some other beams and tools. With the detailed instruction, you can easily build a cool robot tank or 3-wheel robot car, bringing you to the ultra-awesome robot world. Aluminum extrusion structure. All of the metal mechanical parts are made of strong aluminum metals. With the anodized blue aluminum extrusion structure, your robot will be cool and yet artistic. The unique designed threaded slot and hole enable easy and flexible connection for all mechanical parts. Easy wiring, no soldering required. The main board of the starter kit Orion is an easy-to-use board based on Arduino Uno with improvements for education. It provides 8 RJ25 ports, which can be used to connect to all the other ME series modules while saving you from the confusing pin wiring. Now you can stay focused on your amazing project. The ME series electronic modules are easy to connect to other parts, especially friendly for the beginners. Each one of the modules comes with a color tag and several hole sides. With this design, all you have to do is match the color of the module and that of the Orion board. Match the hole site with the beam. The built robot can be powered by many different programming software, such as Arduino, Scratch, and ADUBlock. Meanwhile, MakeBlock also offers a free graphical programming software, MBlock, which is a graphical programming environment developed on the basis of Scratch 2.0. Build your own robots with MakeBlock Starter Robot Kit.
Setting up your Hidden Spy camera is quick and easy. Before connecting your Hidden Spy camera to your phone, fully charge it using the included power adapter and cord. Also, before using the clock, please install a new AA battery into the clock battery compartment. Using the camera via the app. First, download the app by searching RTCam on your phone's app store. When installed, open the app. Now turn the camera power switch to the on position. Wait 30 seconds till you hear a ding. This means the clock Wi-Fi is activated. Go to your phone's Wi-Fi setting and look for the device's Wi-Fi name in your Wi-Fi list and tap on it. Important, if you do not see it showing up, Press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds until you hear a voice prompt saying, "Factory settings have been restored. Please wait." Wait 40 seconds until you hear a ding. The reset is complete. Some phone models may need to have their Wi-Fi disabled, then enabled in order to refresh their Wi-Fi list. Second, once connected to the device's Wi-Fi network, go to the app and tap the plus icon at the top right. Third, tap the lower bar icon that reads Add Connected Device. Then on the next screen, tap Search in LAN. Fourth, tap on the user ID and enter the security code 123456. Then tap Save on the top right corner. Fifth, tap the settings icon to go to Network Management. Sixth, in the Edit Device window, tap the Wi-Fi setting tab to connect the camera to your home or business network. Then tap Manage Wi-Fi Networks. Enter the password of your home Wi-Fi and click OK to save. When successfully connected, the Wi-Fi indicator will stay solid green and a ding will be heard. The user interface. Tap on the Connected Camera tab to enter the control interface for the camera. Insert the microSD card into the SD card slot with the golden contacts facing down and gently push into place until you hear a click. To remove the SD card, gently push it and it will click out. When you toggle the camera switch to the on position, recording will start automatically with the recording indicator flashing blue.